YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply. We are back again today with another quick fix video on Pentair's LilShark. We are actually going to show you guys how to get access to this fin and make sure that you guys can replace this with a new one properly. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So again, today we've got Pentair's LilShark. Cute little guy with his little teeth in the brush ring. This is a suction side pool cleaner meant specifically for above ground pools. Due to its simplicity, it literally only uses an oscillator system in here and does not use any other kind of gear set. So it just ticks around your pool and hits your edges and kind of moves around like a little shark on the bottom. So really nifty. For some reason, if your little fin here on the back of the shark's tail here, if this is broken or fallen off, you guys can purchase this separately. We've got all the links of it to purchase it below. I'm going to show you guys how to actually get access to it to get it replaced and install it properly. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the cleaner out. Obviously you're going to remove your hoses, and then you're going to just flip your cleaner over. On the bottom here, you'll see we've got two screws. I already went ahead and pre-loosened the screws. We do suggest using just a screwdriver. If you see the need, you can use a drill, but a screwdriver just does the trick easier without taking the risk of cross-threading or doing any other kind of damage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these two screws. Once you get those two screws out, really simple. You just grab right here on the center and you just lift up. So it's actually going to separate the shroud, which has the shark tail as well as its teeth and the head, from the actual oscillator cleaning brush set that it has on the bottom here. So we'll go ahead and set that off to the side and show you guys here. So here's your fin. So typically you would, if you have one and you're looking to replace it, if it hasn't already fallen apart, you can simply just remove that old piece. If you're just trying to swap it for a new one, you actually just want to pinch it from the inside here. You just want to pinch, and then you're actually going to just kind of feed it through the outside. So you don't necessarily need to do anything special. There's no other clips. It's just, excuse those weights coming out. You're just going to kind of loosen it around the edge and just pull it through. So here it comes out. So if it's got some tears on it or whatever it may be, and you guys need to replace this just to make sure that your LilShark is looking fresh, really simple. You just take that top off and it slides right out from the inside. You can see it's got a little lip here that actually seals it to the outside. So when you're ready, you just actually take your new one, make sure its direction is facing correctly. So you want the point to be facing towards me. So you literally just slide the new one in and just pull it tight from the outside. You'll actually kind of hear it grab the lip of the head, and then you're good to go. So from here, you're just gonna make sure that you put the brush ring back in correctly. It does have a directional thing here. It's actually got your two screw ports and then the one empty piece here. So you just wanna make sure you slide that on right, and then go ahead and reattach your two screws, and you're good to go. So today we showed you guys how to get access to the shark fin as well as how to replace it with a new one. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.